Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Goes to 11 Vise Squad, sponsored by Togans Flies and Dr. Slick Scissors. Today I'm going to be tying a dry fly called the Madam X, and it's going to be on a size 8 Togans fly hook. Now the thread is just a uni 8/0 in black. Put a layer of thread down. Here we're going to put a tail on this guy, and the tail is just going to be some deer hair. And I don't want it to be overly long, I want it to keep it relatively short. So when I pick my desired length, that's when I'll tie it in. And I'm actually going to tie all this waist in too, just to build the body up a bit. And I'm just going to make some wraps up and down the shank of the hook. Just continue trimming all these butt ends away. Alright, for the body we're going to use some green floss. Now you can tie these in yellow, red, orange. But for this video I'm going to use green. I mean, if you don't have floss, you can certainly get away with using dubbing. I don't think the fish will mind. Put a little half inch in. Now I'm going to start spinning the vise, wrapping my body on. Just be careful when you get down around that hook point. Keep going, building the bulk of the body up. Bring my thread back. Tighten up on it. Perfect. You can always save these, like these little tag like pieces here. You can always save them for a tag on a fly. I try not to waste. Okay, so we're going to get some wax on our thread now. I got a new piece of wax on, so it's really sticky. Now for the wing, you can stack the hair, but as most of you know, I don't really do that. So what we want the point pointing towards the hook eye when we tie the wing on. So now I'm just going to come in and trim these butt ends away. Fold it back and pull any really long ones out of there. Just get tight wraps. You can just come back now and just take some scissors if there's any ones that aren't fitting right or look uneven. You can just trim them. Alright, next it's time for the lags, and I'm just going to use some, they're called silly lags, or you can go to the dollar store and just grab some off an old toy in there. So what I do is I tie the lags on first, and then I'll go back and trim them shorter. And now, like I said, you can go back and start trimming them. Take our whip finisher. Now, if you want to take some UV and just run it over the head of the fly here, you can. But that's basically it. It's pretty simple. So thanks for watching this video. Please remember to give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the reminder bell in the corner for future episodes. Also, you can check out our sponsors page by visiting our website at fishingandoutdoors.ca. It doesn't cost you anything extra. You can just go and see what Rick and the guys have there, and it helps keep us bringing some videos to you. So thanks for watching.